Arrays and collections in C# 9.0. Let's see arrays. 1. Improve target typing. In C# 9.0, you can use new to initialize arrays without specifying the array type explicitly. For example, you can write var numbers equals new 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the type of the array is inferred. 2. Init-only setters for element-wise initialization. C# 9.0 allows you to set individual elements of an array using init-only properties. This means you can set array elements after the array is initially created but not change the array reference itself. This is particularly useful for immutability. 3. Pattern matching for arrays. C# 9.0 introduced enhanced pattern matching for arrays, making it easier to check if an array is empty or contains specific elements using patterns like comma and 1, 2, 3. Let's see collections. 1. Records. While not specific to collections, C# 9.0 introduced records, which are classes that are primarily used to store data. They are especially useful when working with collections of objects. Records simplify the creation of immutable data types. 2. With expressions. Records in C# 9.0 come with the with expression, which allows you to create a new record with some values modified, making it very efficient for working with collections of records. 3. Collection initializers for immutable collections. C# 9.0 enables collection initializers for immutable collections, which simplifies the initialization of these collections. 4. New collection interfaces. C# 9.0 introduced new collection interfaces like a list and a dictionary, which provide read-only access to collections. These interfaces are useful when you need to expose collections that should not be modified. 5. Relational patterns for collections. With C# 9.0, you can use relational patterns to check if a collection is empty or contains specific elements. For example, you can use patterns like is null, is not null, is 10 for collection elements. Please remember to refer to the latest Microsoft documentation for the most accurate and up-to-date information. Summary. C# 9.0 introduces improved target typing for arrays. Init-only setters allow element-wise initialization of arrays. Enhanced pattern matching simplifies array checks. Records and with expressions simplify working with collections. Collection initializers are available for immutable collections. New collection interfaces provide read-only access. Relational patterns help with collection element checks. Thanks for watching.